Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix tight hamstrings. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Tight hamstrings are a common problem for many people. In most cases, the symptoms will go away on their own after a couple of days. Most hamstring injuries respond well to non-surgical treatments, and stretching can help with pain relief. Tight hamstrings can make it difficult to walk or stand comfortably, which might affect daily functioning. In this video, we discuss some possible causes and exercises to fix tight hamstring. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The hamstring is a group of 3 muscles that run up the back of your thigh. Sports that involve a lot of sprinting or stop and start movement, like soccer and tennis, may cause tightness in your hamstrings. So can activities like dancing and running. Keeping these muscles loose is important. Tight hamstrings may be more prone to strain or tearing. There's also a difference between tightness and injury. If you feel pain in your hamstring, it's best to see a doctor before attempting to treat your injury at home. There are a number of exercises and stretches that you can do to help keep your hamstrings loose. It's a good idea to warm up your muscles before stretching. Try taking a walk or doing some other activity so your muscles are warm. Never stretch while you're in pain or try to force a stretch. Breathe normally while doing stretching exercises. Try to incorporate hamstring stretches into your routine at least 2 or 3 days each week. Causes. A common cause of tight hamstrings is exercise or another form of intense activity. Exercises that put substantial strain on the hamstrings can lead to tightness. For example, performing hamstring curl exercises or playing sports such as soccer will target the hamstring muscles. The tightness will usually occur after starting a new exercise routine or suddenly increasing workout intensity. Some people experience tight hamstrings after long periods of sitting or inactivity. For example, sitting at a desk for several hours might lead to tightness. In other cases, that tightness might be due to injury, possibly a recurring injury that makes the hamstrings more vulnerable to tightness. The tightness could also be a sign of a sprain or strain in the area. Number 5. Sitting hamstring stretch. A sitting hamstring stretch will work on your back, legs, and hamstrings simultaneously. The flexibility of your hamstring is important because this is the biggest muscle in your body. It controls our walking, even our sitting. As well as having tight hamstring muscles increase the pressure on the lower back and may cause back pain. Lie on the floor with both legs. Slowly extend your legs upward and aim to reach a right angle. Notice that you should feel stretch, not pain, while you are doing it. Hold the pose for 30 or 45 seconds and repeat it 5 times. Number 4. Standing hamstring stretch. This stretch can aid to reduce pain and tightness in the hamstring. Put your left foot on a high surface at or below your hip level. This could be a chair or a step on a staircase. Flex your foot so your toes and leg are straight. If your knee tends to hyperextend, keep a slight bend in it. Bend your body forward slightly toward your foot. The further you go, the deeper the stretch. Don't push so far that you feel pain. Release the hip of your raised leg downward as opposed to lifting it up. If you need help easing your hip down, loop a yoga strap or long exercise band over your right thigh and under your left foot. Hold for at least 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side. Number 3. Cobra pose. This pose is one of the most effective stretch poses which help increasing strength, flexibility as well as your height. For doing this amazing pose, you should lie on your stomach at first, straighten your arms and legs, toes on the floor, place your hands beside the body, bend the elbow, now lift with your torso, look forward and slowly move your head backward until you feel comfortable. Breathe deeply and slowly. Hold the pose for 60 seconds. Don't try a Cobra pose if you have shoulder and back pain or injury. Number 2. Half Moon Pose. This pose may be a little challenging, as it needs focus and balance. Besides its mental advantages, which are to boost your mood and energy, to keep you positive and confident. It strengthens your lower body, which includes hips, legs, hamstrings, and quads. And if you are the sort of person that has a dominant leg and the other leg is noticeably weaker than the dominant leg, this pose will be great for you to bring a balance between your legs, and a huge improvement in your posture, because while you are doing half moon pose, you have to use both legs evenly. The standing leg is engaged because it bears the body weight, and the raised leg has engaged because it should remain parallel to the ground. Also, it makes your core stronger, because in this pose the core is responsible for keeping the balance of the whole body. Begin this pose by straightening your arms. Place one of your palms on the floor. Lift the opposite leg until it is parallel to the floor. Your leg should make a 90-degree angle with the other leg. Both of your arms should be in a line which is 90-degree to the ground. Look at the ceiling or sky. It is challenging and maybe not easy, but if it challenges you, it means that it will change you. Number 1. Forward Pigeon Pose. Kneel on the floor on all fours. Pick up your right leg and move it forward on the ground in front of your body. Your lower leg should be on the ground, parallel to the body. Your right foot should be in front of your left knee while your right knee stays to the right. Stretch the left leg out behind you on the floor, with the top of the foot on the ground and toes pointing back. Shift your body weight gradually from your arms to your legs so that your legs are supporting your weight. Sit up straight with your hands on either side of your legs. Take a deep breath. While exhaling, lean your upper body forward over your front leg. Support your weight with your arms as much as possible. Repeat on the other side. Hamstring stretches can keep the hamstrings loose and flexible. Flexible hamstrings have many benefits, such as preventing lower back pain. Tight hamstrings reduce the mobility of the pelvis, which can put pressure on the lower back. Strengthening and stretching the hamstrings can prevent them from becoming too tight and provide extra support for the back and pelvis. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.